Hello, welcome to Food and Barbecue. Let's make some pork steaks with shrimp mayo. This is what my pork steaks looked like when they were cooked. Anyway, starting off with inch thick pork steaks. I just took a pork butt and cut it into slices. Slathering some canola oil on there, and then seasoning with this rub that I got from Rivet Gardener. It was really good on there, and it was great on everything it said, so it was. Anyway, seasoning first one side, then adding it onto the grate in my roasting pan, then slathering oil on the other side, seasoning it, and then I put it in the oven at 230 450 for 10 minutes. I flipped them over and cooked them another 10 minutes, 230 450. Then I lowered them to 175 350 and let it run for about half an hour until it reached an internal of 65 or 150. Anyway, starting off with a little bit of salad on a plate, steak on top of that, and then the Swedish hot dog favorite räk salad, which is mayo with shrimp in it. A couple of slices of jalapeno, and it was time for a taste test. There we go, some pork steaks with, let me read this, Maynards Memphis BBQ, Maynards Mix All Natural Seasoning and Rub. Thank you, John. Let's try it. It's like a Swedish surf and turf with shrimp salad and jalapenos, right? I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.